Hello, this is a unboxing video for the MSI MPG Z390 Gaming Plus motherboard. It's an Intel motherboard. It's got the Z390 chipset. And here's the box for it. Quick look at the back. Usual sort of standard retail stuff. I'll just hold that there if you want to pause it to get a better look. GoPros aren't that good at close-up, but you should be able to have a nice little look if you wanted to. So let's get it open and have a look. It's not sealed. That's the motherboard itself, so we'll just move that to one side. A little bag of screws there. Well, single screw. That's going to be for the M.2. Take this bottom thing out. 2 SATA data cables. One is right angled. That gives you a better view. One is right angled. I/O shield plate, which is not plain aluminium. It's actually got a nice sort of bit of printing on it with the MSI logo and things like that, so that's quite nice. Some weird little thing, that's a sticker, I think it's a case decal, little sort of sticky thing. Driver's disc, another M.2 screw, it's got 2 sockets for that. General sort of little catalogue thing. Thank you for choosing an MSI product. Please register it. Quick installation guide. Not massively interesting, but nonetheless, quick installation guide in case you wanted one. Case standoff notification. Before installing the motherboard on the case, install the necessary mounting standoff required for motherboard mounting plate on the case to prevent damage. Unnecessary mounting standoff between the motherboard circuitry and the computer case is prohibited, especially in the case standoff zones. So basically, be careful where you put your risers or you'll blow something up. I haven't seen one of those before, so that's interesting. A little bit of paper. Main manual, actual proper manual. It's multilingual. Quite a substantial manual. And that's the box, completely empty. So we'll just jiggle this stuff about. And then we'll have a look at the motherboard itself. The bag has got a bit of tape on it. I don't like pulling the tape because you never know quite what you're going to do, or how it's going to release. So I'll just snip it like that. And we'll take it out and have a nice little look at it. And there it is. It's quite an attractive motherboard. Yeah, so there it is. I'll give it a little. Let me have a closer look at it under the lights. I think actually the website has got a much better view of it, but there's quite a lot of connectors at the back. Look, all nicely sort of red and black, and that is metal, and so is that. So it's not like a plastic decal. That is an actual heatsink, and so is that one. Quite a few connectors there. Interesting that the there's a connector there, which I'm guessing is another USB 3 connector. It's interesting that it's at right angles, whereas that one there isn't. And it does look like a USB 3, so that's quite nice. It's got a different angle because it's going to make the cables a bit tidier on that. And if you look at the back of it, here we are, look, there's those things there, look. Case standoff keep out zone, case standoff keep out zone. So I'm guessing if you put a standoff in those places, it breaks it. Which is weird because the holes are standard ATX layout. But yeah, anyway, any thoughts on that, stick them in the comments. It's not something I've seen before, that's a new thing, but obviously it's important enough for MSI to mention it. So anyway, there's the, that's the motherboard unboxed. So you get screws for your M.2s, manual, warnings thing about case standoffs, your ROM, a quick installation guide, little catalogue, a thank you card saying please register, only 2 SATA leads, which seems a bit stingy, and quite a nice little back plate that matches it all, and a little sticker. So yes, that's all right, isn't it? Anyway, like and subscribe, that'd be helpful, especially if you found this video helpful. Any questions, stick them in the comments, and thanks for watching.